We are talking about Threads, which is the newest social media platform on the block. As with all social media platforms, people are on there primarily to be entertained. Entertainment is subjective, but funny tends to top the charts. There's plenty of other ways to be entertaining. All that being said, if you're not funny, don't try to be funny. Are you going to be sitting there trying to think of a joke and you're like, is it going to land? Lean into however you are. I think the platform is going to be inherently very good for folks who are good at the pithy one-liners. But if that ain't you, and you know it's not going to be you, don't force it. I think that we're going to see that right now, yes, people are going to really latch on to some of these kind of one-liners and people that are kind of funnier because it's the inception of the platform. People are just there to be like, this make me laugh. I just want to enjoy this thing. That's going to change, and we're going to see where the edutainment, the infotainment, and just the pure teaching and sharing of information is, I think, going to become a thing. I know that people use Twitter to kind of search what the news is and what's going on in places. Is that what's going to happen with Threads? I don't know. But yes, people like funny things. Yes, that's going to be initially what does quote unquote well. If that's not you, don't lean into that. Create in your style and see what happens.